An example of a planting workflow. This workflow may vary by region or company. It's here to inspire you and help you understand the full planting process before diving into specific features. Start by setting up your planting library and organize your planting content in a file or a folder. First, create new planting families. Each family can represent a botanical species, and its parameters can be used to store the required information. Then, create planting mixes based on the information stored in the planting families. Add placement rules to define the mix and set up a floor type for each mix, as these are typically used to represent the mixes. Now simply import your families and mixes into any new project to begin your design. You can add single trees, groups, or a bunch of trees along a line. Separately, use floor-based planting areas to add mixes of perennials, ground covers, and other plant groups to your design. Once your design is ready and your planting model is packed with information, it's time to prepare your views for documentation. In a dedicated view for trees and large shrubs, add a connection line to indicate the different groups. Then, tag the individual trees and tag the groups along these lines. You can use the assembly content parameter to define the information in the groups tags. Add a planting schedule and place both views on a sheet. Create another view showing only planting areas. You can use a filled region for better representation of the patterns in your plan. Don't forget to tag the planting areas. You can use the planting mix parameter to define the information in the groups tags. And place the view on a sheet. You can now create a planting mix schedule to show quantities and relevant information on your sheet. To upgrade your planting schedules, you can add some thumbnails and make them function as your legends as well. For projects requiring a higher level of detail, it is optional to scatter individual plants within your planting areas. For a perfect and gradual workflow, the plants can be scattered automatically according to the original mix definitions. To finish, simply tag all planting mixes and create a new schedule for the detailed design. Your project is now ready to go.